Okay, for demonstration purposes, I'm using a photograph, a large photograph of an actual headstone, but it also works in situation. I've just had problems recording it because of light shining back off the iPad. But here, if I use the trigger image, we can see now that you could use this, and you can actually use this in situation cemeteries to pull up an image of who's there. So we've got a headstone. This headstone doesn't contain a photograph of the people who were buried there, but we could add that on. We've always got the option to add extra information if we're using something like Aurasma for augmented reality. So what did the people buried there look like? That's what they look like. And its image is keyed to the object, to the so the overlay. If I move the trigger image object, then the overlay moves with it. See? And if I use a different trigger image, imagine I've now gone to a different part. I've gone to a different headstone. Now we've got an image of Robert Humston VC. And in this instance, what I've done is I've also used the overlay as a trigger. I can tap on it. It now takes me through to a web page that tells me more about this particular person. And I'll use one other example. WRK SMO. Okay, so again, launches it. This photograph is seen on the iPad. It's not there, but if we were to go out, as long as we have wireless access or some kind of access, we need network access at the moment with this particular app, then we can trigger the image. Again, I'm going to move it around, and you'll see how it stays locked to it. And again, in this instance, this is why it's got great educational value and stuff. If I click on the image, it will take me through in a few moments to a web page that gets me some more details about this person. In this case, the Canadian Virtual War Memorial, where I could now go through and pull up various details that are part of this digital collection. And there we go.